Aho neza, my name is Barnabe, nongeye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryacu aho tugiye kurebera hamwe uko wakwibwira abantu. How can you introduce yourself? How can you introduce yourself? Hano tugiye kwigira hamwe uko wakwibwira abantu. The first one, what is your name? Ese murakoje ngo what is your name? What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? How do you reply? Ese usubiza gute? Wewe ngo what's your name? What is your name? What is your name? Unasubiza ngo my name is my name is Alice. Witwa nde? What is your name? Witwa nde? My name is Alice. Witwa Alice. My name is Teacher Barnabe. My name is Dr. Fred. My name is Dr. Charles. My name is Amoha. How old are you? 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 Ufite imyaka ingahe? Urasubiza ngo I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Ite imyaka 20. I am 20 years old. Cyangwa se ukavuga ngo I'm 20, I'm 21, I'm 30. Imyaka 20, imyaka 30, like that. Where are you from? Where are you from? Ese utuye hehe? Uturuka hehe? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Uturuka hehe? So you say I am from Rwanda. 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 I am from Kayonza. I'm from Kayonza. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Rwanda. I'm from Kayonza. I'm from America. What do you do? 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 Ese ukurichi? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Cyangwa se ukavuga ngo ndi umwarimu. Ndi umuhinzi. I am a farmer. Farmer. I am a farmer. I am a student. Ndi umunyeshuri. I am a student. I am a doctor. I am a driver. Ndi umutwazi. Then I am a teacher. I am a farmer. And so on and so forth. What do you like? Do you like music? Do you like music? Ese ukunda muziki? Do you like music? Do you like music? You can reply kuvuga ngo ese ukunda muziki? Yes I do. Yes I do. Yes I do. Nkunda umuziki. Cyangwa se ukavuga ngo yes I like music. Yes I like music. So ubu ni uburyo butabasha kubwira abantu tumaze kwiga. What's your name? My name is Alice. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where are you from? I am from Kayonza. I'm from Kigali, and so on and so forth, according to where you are from. What do you do? Ese ukora iki? I am a teacher. I am a farmer. N'ibindi. Do you like music? Ese ukunda umuziki? Yes I do. Cyangwa se I like music. So niba ushaka kwiga n'icyongereza, please subscribe to our channel, you like, you share, hanyuma ushobora kutwandikira kuri izi nimero kugira ngo gushyire muri groupe zacu za WhatsApp twigane umunsi ku munsi icyongereza. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share. Bye bye. I love you so much.